Memphis. This is Blake, librarian at the Benjamin L. Hoax Central Branch Library here in Memphis. Today, yet again, I'm coming to you from the beautiful Raleigh Branch demonstration kitchen. Wonderful facility. Can't wait for you guys to be able to see it. I'm going to bring you another couple of healthy, delicious recipes today. Today I'm going to highlight a book. It's a recipe book from our online collection. A little bit later, I'm going to show you how you can access our online collection. It's very easy, especially if you use the internet. Most of you do. It's from a book called Vegan Everything, and it's by a duo named Nadine Horn and Jörg Meyer. This is a German duo that has been writing together recipes for a little while. You can get the whole scoop on them if you go check out the book online, which again, I will show you how to do a little bit later. Before I start on this first recipe, I want to mention it involves tofu, which is, of course, a soy product. I'm including some links that you can check out. This is definitely not an exhaustive discussion of the issue, but you can learn a little bit about the myths and the facts about soy, and unless you're allergic to it, you can feel safe eating soy. Let's get to the recipe. So there you have it, Memphis. 2 delicious recipes from one of our online e-recipe books called Vegan Everything by Nadine Horn and Jörg Meyer. Once again, go check out our tutorial on how to access the ebooks. Come into any one of our 17 branches across the city, find a recipe book that inspires you, and get to cooking. Again, thanks to Methodist, thanks to the Library Foundation, thanks to the Friends of the Library, thanks to you for watching this video and supporting us. Thank you for choosing to start here.